Hi, yoga buddies! Welcome back! If your body feels a little stiff today and wants to stretch, you're in the right place. We'll move slowly, stretch gently, and help your body feel more comfortable. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Let's begin. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Front knee bent. Front elbow resting lightly on thigh. Top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Stand with legs wide. Fold forward from the hips, hands on the floor or legs straight and strong. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Kneeling upright, arms reaching diagonally upward in a V shape, chest open, heart lifted, gentle smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Let's take a moment to breathe. Stay comfortable and breathe slowly in and out. Feel your body getting softer and lighter. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You moved so gently and stretched your body beautifully today. If you enjoyed this stretch, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time. Namaste.